Hello friends, we're going to continue with today's lesson. So last time we've already covered 11 consonants and all the single vowels and 3 compound vowels. We will continue with another 3 compound vowels and 3 more consonants. So let's put down the matrix here. I find this very therapeutical for myself, and I like doing this. Okay, let's get started. 鸡 qi and xi. So these are the 3 consonants. So we have all the letters in English as well, like J, Q, and X. The compound vowels include iya, iye, and iu. So when you put combinations together, it pronounced as jia, ji, a, jia, ji, ye, jie, jiu, jiu. Second row will be qia, qia, qie, qie, qiu, qiu. And then xia, xia, xie, xie, and xiu, xiu. It happens that all the 9 blocks, we all have corresponding characters for these sounds. The first one is, I put first tone, jia, which means home or family. The second one, I put second tone, jie, which means clean. The third one, I put third tone, 9, which means 9. The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So that's the character for 9. The second row, first one, qia, qia, qia. So this character means qia. I put the fourth tone. So there is a word for 恰好, which means happen to. The second word, 切, the first tone, which means cut. The third word, 秋, the first tone, which means autumn, the season, autumn, 秋. The third row, first word, first tone, 虾, which means shrimp. The second word, 谢, as in 谢谢. So that's the character for thank you. Thanks. The last character, 休, which means rest. So that's all the characters and consonants, vowels combination for today. So you don't have to worry about the characters. We will start another series from the very basics, teaching you all the strokes. So for this series of lesson, we're just going through all the consonants and vowels, the sound system of Chinese. So I hope you enjoy this video and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.